Haslima and welcome to Sehla Mehla. Today we'll be making together a Tunisian soup that is flavorful called Sder, and it's based on garlic, semolina and dry mint. So to start this soup, I'm gonna heat up some oil and then I'll put my tomato paste, harissa, the garlic and some chili flakes. Before putting my spices in, I'm adding a little bit of hot water so the spices do not get burned. So my spices are paprika, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, and of course dry mint. A list of all the ingredients will be put on the description box below. So make sure you get rid of the stems of the mint before you put it in the soup. I'll stir very well and make sure my mint releases all its flavors in the soup, and then I'll add more hot water. I'll let my soup cook on a medium heat, and in the meantime I will be preparing my meatballs. So for the meatballs, I'll be mixing some ground beef with a lot of garlic, some olive oil, some dry mint, black pepper and salt, and mix, and then form tiny balls that we're gonna be put later in the soup. So I'll put some harissa albi, mix all the ingredients together, and when my ground beef is ready, I will form my tiny balls that I will throw in my soup after adding hot water. My soup has boiled, so I'm adding the coarse semolina in there. I've put 3 tablespoons along with some pickled lemons, some pickled peppers and some capers. My soup is ready. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.